खासकर हम देखते हैं कि एलएलएम छात्रों के लिए लीगल एजुकेशन रिसर्च एंड मेथोडोलॉजी में बहुत टफ लगता नहीं है कि कहाँ से इसे हम करें। इसी पर श्यामलाल वर्मा जी का एक पुस्तक लिखा हुआ है, उसमें वो लिखे हुए हैं कि डिस्कस द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ लीगल एजुकेशन का मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है। अब हम आइए बात करते हैं कि लीगल एजुकेशन इज ए प्रोफेशनल कोर्स। इट इज़ द एजुकेशन ऑफ दोज स्टूडेंट्स who intend to become law graduates. They want to use this degree either to be a professional, that is advocate, or for some other purpose as to use their knowledge in business field or in other sector. Even in the service also, private management is very keen to take the service of these graduates in their field. Legal education has certain objects to serve the cause of the education and society, especially to give proper and comprehensive, detailed and useful knowledge to prepare the students for their profession of law. Main objective of legal education. It is difficult to declare the main objective of legal education. Still, it can be supposed the main objective of legal education, that is all-round development of human society, to promote a standard of legal education, to promote democracy and constitutional government, practical relevance. About to all-round development of human society, it is the main purpose of legal education to prepare the students of law for all-round development of human society. For this purpose, Bar Council of India, University Grant Commission, Law Commission and other concerning bodies are keen to give proper atmosphere in the field of law teaching. For this purpose, these bodies have been offering various reforms in their policy and programs. Point number 2, to promote a standard of legal education. As per the Advocate Act 1961 and onward, the Bar Council of India is interested to regulate and promote a standard of legal education. Bar Council of India and University Grant Commission pointed out lineage and flow with the present regulatory system. Like time to time, this body advocated and directed the university to enhance the quality of legal education. They directed law course must be run to teach the student as a professional course, and more practical program must be run on regular basis. These programs must be as follow: organization of seminars on regular basis, publication of journals and law magazines, holding of legal and clinics. Other practical activities should be organized by college and university. For this purpose, students' participation must be compulsory. Point number 3, to promote democracy and constitutional government. Bar Council of India framed such rules to make effective the legal education. These rules brought into force from June 1982, and these rules distinguish professional education from other forms of education.